No, 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 no. That is not possible, storyteller. Dragons do not.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, thank you, storyteller. Anyway, as I was saying.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Thank you, storyteller. Okay, I'm good.
Okay, you were saying.
Oh, I guess dragons do get colds. And in my case, half dragons, half dinosaurs.
It happens. It happens to everybody. It's okay.
Would you read me this book so I can feel better?
Of course, Doug. Shall we?
Okay. I hope you don't have a cold, kid, but that you like my book anyway. I need tissue.
Oh, no. Okay, just grab that box. Yes, that box there. No, not my shirt. The box. Yes, there you go. Dragons get colds too. I told him. It happens. It happens to the best of dragons and dinosaurs. And half dragon, half dinosaurs. Look, this dragon does not look sick at all, though. Playing ball with this girl. Look at those cute little wings. Look at that. But, uh-oh. Oh, he caught the ball, but whoa. What just happened? He looks pooped. Maybe he's just tired, Every new dragon owner learns that, just like humans, dragons get colds too. However, caring for a sick dragon can be a daunting task. Follow these simple steps and your dragon is sure to feel better in no time at all. Now, let's see what's happening here. Well, she's reading books. Ooh, she's got a lot of KidTime StoryTime books and some medical journals to determine if that pile of yellow liquid oozing out of dragon's nose does indeed confirm the sick diagnosis. Maybe he's just allergic. Maybe that's just it. Step 1. Determine that your dragon does indeed have a cold. Fact. Dragons rarely use tissues due to their flammability. Ah, yes, that whole fire-breathing thing. Instead, dragons try to wipe their noses on acceptable alternatives. Tip. A dragon seldom wears sleeves. True story. So your sleeve is the next best thing. Oh no. For sanitary reasons, keep extra shirts handy. Dragon snot tends to be rather gooey. Ooey. Okay. Well, good to know. How you doing over there, Doug the dinosaur?
I'm good.
Oh, poor thing. Well, thanks to your skillful investigation, it's official. You have a sick dragon. It's time for treatment. Okay, so she's got a thermometer, a heart thingamabob, although I don't think that really helps in a diagnosis of a cold. But all those thermometers do seem to confirm that there is snot on the floor. Yes, definitely confirming that. Step 2. Give your dragon the proper cold medicine. Please contact your local dragon pharmacy for more information. Fact. It's nearly impossible to give medicine to dragons. Oh, so then why did we go get medicine? Tip. The classic spoon airplane method is a simple and effective distraction technique. Yet, your dragon may require a bit more creativity. It's best to have a full dance routine ready. A full dance routine. But remember, dragons are rather harsh critics. Oh, look at all that. She is pirouetting. She is, arms to the sky, some serious leaping, and one. Wow. Harsh dragon, very harsh. And I see that she still has the medicine in her hand. Maybe she needs a spoonful of sugar. Methodology. Now that you have medicated your dragon, I don't even know how that happened, it's important to feed it an adequately nutritious meal. Oh, no. Oh, somebody is not going to be happy when she sees the mess in the kitchen. What is she making? It seems like a delicious combination of gooey liquid and overly burnt toast and raw eggs and something that was in a jar and potato chips? I don't think that's adequately nutritious. Step 3. Feed your dragon spicy food. It is the perfect thing to clear out that stuffy nose. Ooh, that seems like it could burn everything in place. Fact. Dragons love volcanic sushi rolls and exploding chili rice cakes. Ooh. Oh, that just seems like it's going to upset my stomach just to look at it. Tip. Wear protective clothing if following this step. Oh, why? Fiery sneezes and rotten fishy burps could prove dangerous, so proceed with extreme caution. Oh, yeah, okay, so she looks like she's strapped 2 pillows around her body and put on an astronaut helmet. Yep, that should take care of it. And she's got a mountain of peppers and volcanic sushi. Okie dokie. I don't know what's going to be on the next page, but I feel like it's going to be a ball of fire. Oh, yeah. Excellent work! Your dragon's tummy is now satisfied. Next, your dragon is probably looking for something fun to do. Oh, well, and maybe, but maybe it would have fun helping you with a hose to put out all the fires? Maybe? You know, save the family portrait and the curtains, and whatever that was. Well, as long as the dragon's feeling better. Okay. Step 4, entertain your dragon. Oh, you know how when you're sick and you're stuck in bed or having to rest and you get so bored? Fact, bored dragons are grumpy dragons, especially when they're stuck inside. Tip, choose activities. Oh, why did the dragon? Oh no. Is the grumpy dragon starting to eat the paper in the book? Choose activities that will appeal to your dragon. Try a board game or a charming giraffe puzzle. Dragons think giraffes with their long necks and skinny legs are hilarious. One giraffe puzzle guarantees at least 1 hour of uninterrupted dragon amusement. It's eating the giraffe. I'm not going to show this to Giles the giraffe. It might upset him. Great! Your dragon is now sufficiently entertained. Although all the fun is most likely wearing it out. Well, yeah, all that fun. I mean, you're supposed to be resting, little snot nose. And he's eating the paper from the game. And he definitely ate a page out of the book. So we'll never know exactly how that went down in that part of the book. And the giraffe has no head. It's not going well with this whole sick dragon situation. Step 5. Sick dragons need lots of rest. Fact, dragons absolutely hate to rest. Oh gosh, this is like dealing with Maleficent. Tip, if your dragon is being especially stubborn, offer to read it a book. Consider building a fort for the 2 of you to read in. And always bring flashlights. Shadow puppets in a fort are a must. Everyone knows this.
If that dragon is really bored, I could take it for a little spin around the world. We could breathe some fire on some things. And, I could use a little help with some of my dastardly deeds.
No, the dragon has to rest.
Well, I'm just saying, the offer stands should the dragon need to be entertained.
Okay, now we know. Fantastic! You have eased your dragon into a restful slumber. Now, make sure to keep it that way. Oh, she doesn't look like she eased into anything. And the whole fort that she fell apart and the chairs are toppled over. But hey, look who's resting. Finally. And drooling and still snotting all over the floor. Your sick dragon. It's going to make you think twice about getting yourself a dragon, isn't it? Step 6. Never wake a sleeping dragon. Fact. Sick dragons tend to fall asleep anywhere and everywhere, including in front of your television set. Tip. Leave your dragon wherever it has fallen asleep and do your best to avoid any noisy activities while it slumbers. Don't be fooled by those deep snores, though. Dragons are actually very light sleepers. Oh no. I bet we're about to find that out. Oh gosh. Outstanding! Your dragon is getting the rest it needs. Here comes the final step. Oh, well, she's out. She's completely out. She was reading her KidTime StoryTime, fell asleep, and guess who woke up? Step 7. Oh my gosh. So many steps. Dragons need time to recover. This dragon that she illustrates does the things. This one does not do the things. Fact! Dragons on the mend are terrible at remembering to take it easy. Tip! Singing along to some favorite tunes is the perfect activity for any music-loving dragon. Consider adding an instrument of your own, making it to the mix. Oh, an instrument of your own making to the mix. Except don't forget to wear earplugs. Dragons are enthusiastic, but extremely tone deaf. Ooh, yeah. Dragon is jamming and her ears are suffering. Maybe it's just because it's noisy. Maybe it's because he's tone deaf. Congratulations! You have successfully nursed your sick dragon back to health. You see, with a little confidence and guidance, anyone can tackle the challenge of caring for their dragon. Oh, that poor thing. She's exhausted. And remember, if you take good care of your dragon will always take good care of you. Whoa! Achoo! Oh no. She caught it. You knew. With all that snotting and sneezing and more snotting and fire-breathing sneezing, you knew that was going to happen. Oh well. Doug the dinosaur, are you feeling any better?
Oh yes, much better.
I got you.
Thank you. Maybe I could use a tissue.
Yes, I'll definitely get you a tissue.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. You didn't mean to, and at least you don't breathe fire.
Oh, definitely. That would really make the situation, fiery.
Yeah, it would make it definitely fiery. But at least now you know that dragons and half-dragon get cold.
And it is perfectly normal. However, if your dragon is the fire-breathing kind, you might want to keep it away from anything that catches fire. I learned that.
That is a very wise lesson to learn indeed.
I learned a lot here.
Oh, let me go take care of. Well, I gotta go take care of Doug the dinosaur.
Okay.
See you next time, kid. On. You wanna do it?
KidTime. Story time.